Hi, we are on week 3 of COM 111. We are about halfway through this very short course. So for week 3, there are a few things that I want to draw your attention to as you work through the assignments. The first thing is when you log on to Blackboard, don't forget to check out the outline that is available each week. It lists out everything that is due and the due dates that those need to be submitted by. One thing that I want to look at with you is the assignments that are due for your final informative speech. So we are taking baby steps on this final speech to ensure that you are completing each section, and that will help you have a more successful overall informative speech. So last week you submitted your topic and you will receive feedback on that from me in the next day or two at the beginning of the week. The next step now is to look at your introduction and your outline and references. Please note that these are two separate assignments that you need to be submitting. For the introduction, I ask that you have all 5 of these areas, so an attention gaining statement, thesis statement, preview of points, relevancy, and a transition. As you learned from the PowerPoint last week, some of these can be mixed together within your introduction, but you do need to have each part there, and it should be labeled or highlighted in some way so that I know what each part is or what you're thinking each part will be. Keep in mind that some of these can be mixed together, so you might have your thesis statement and preview of points and even your relevancy all as one sentence, and that is completely fine. Just make sure you have it labeled. The other thing that you have due this week is your informative speech outline and the references. I have given you a Google Doc template that you can use as your outline. You do not have to use that. It is one option for you. Your outline can be in sentence format. It can be topic ideas. It's really up to you what will work best. Keep in mind that if you do very short topic outline, I may not be able to give you much feedback. If you do longer, more detailed outline, then I can of course give you more details on that. You do need to have a working reference page. I know that that will probably change before your final submission, but I just want to see where you're at with your research. This week I have also included some speech examples from past semesters that you can look through as well. There is a tab available to you on the left side that I want to draw your attention to that's called Handouts and Videos. This tab houses all the handouts and videos for our major assignments that are due throughout the semester. So if you're having trouble finding the information on, let's say, your final informative speech and you want to find it quickly and you don't want to go through all the weekly assignments, you can jump right to that Handouts and Videos, and that will take you directly to those major assignment handouts. If you have any questions or concerns about the assignments that are due this week, please let me know. Thanks.